students, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn type number 6 related to Laplace transform, which is based on evaluation of integral. So what is basically evaluation of integral? Integration of 0 to infinity e raised to minus at f of t into dt. If the given example is in this format or is in this form, then you need to identify this is type number 6 related to Laplace transform, that is evaluation of integral. So to understand this particular concept, let's consider few example. We'll proceed with the first example. What is given? Evaluate integration of 0 to infinity e raised to minus 2at into sine cube t into dt. If you observe carefully, you need to find out what is the value of a. So if you are going to equate with the standard result, if you are going to equate with the standard formula, so a is nothing but equal to 2 in this case. So what you have to do, let's begin with this. We need to calculate Laplace transform of the given function. So what is given? E raised to infinity, integration of 0 to infinity e raised to minus 2t into sine cube t into dt. What you have to do? You have to equate the given example, the given question with the standard result, and you need to take f of t from that. So can you tell me what is your f of t? If you are going to equate with the standard result, f of t is nothing but equal to sine cube t. I hope you have understood this. What you need to take? You need to take f of t from the given question or the given example, and then you need to find out Laplace of that particular function. So as you know that Laplace of sine cube t, already we had studied in previous videos how to find out Laplace of sine cube t. For that purpose, you need to apply sine 3t formula. What is sine 3 theta? Which is nothing but equal to 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. So what is basically sine cube theta? Which is nothing but equal to 1 upon 4 3 sine theta minus sine 3 theta. I hope you have remembered this formula. So in basically given example, instead of theta, you need to apply t. So you have to find out Laplace of sine cube t is nothing but equal to Laplace of inside the bracket 3 sine t minus sine 3t. So how you are going to find out Laplace of sine t? Already we have studied the standard results. Sine of at, which is nothing but equal to a upon s square plus a square. So in this case, you need to apply sine of 1t, which is nothing but equal to 1 upon s square plus 1 square, that is 1, minus 3 upon s square plus 9. I hope you have understood how to calculate, how to find out Laplace of sine cube t. You have to remember one thing in evaluation of integral. First, you need to calculate Laplace of f of t. Whatever value, whatever answer you will get, in that you have to substitute the value of a. What is the value of a over here? A is equal to 2. So substitute s is equal to a. What we need to do? We have to substitute s is equal to a. So in given example, a is what? A is equal to 2. So simply you need to substitute s is equal to 2 in this answer. So what you will get? 1 upon 4. You can take 3 outside the bracket. So 3 by 4, 1 upon s square, that is 2 square plus 1. So it is 5 minus 1 upon 2 square is 4. 4 plus 9, 13. You need to take the LCM. After taking the LCM, what you will get? 13 minus 5 upon 65, which is nothing but equal to 3 by 4 into 8 by 65. If you are going to cancel out the term, the final answer is 6 by 65. So what is Laplace transform of integration of 0 to infinity e raised to minus 2t sine cube t, which is nothing but equal to 6 upon 65. Just you need to remember one thing. Whenever you are going to solve problem based on Laplace transform, and if it is related to the evaluation of integral, then simply you need to identify what is f of t. So once you find out what is f of t, let's do the Laplace transform of f of t, and then whatever answer you will get, in that simply you need to substitute the value of s is equal to a. You will get the final answer. I have given you another two example. You need to solve this example and please do write answer in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching. In next video, we'll learn type number 7 related to Laplace transform. Please do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.